Can I buy gold with my IRA? Investing in gold. Many people ask, can I buy gold with my IRA? The answer is yes, but there are rules you need to understand. Gold is a popular investment because it can help protect savings during inflation and economic uncertainty. It is also a good way to diversify a retirement portfolio. Most traditional IRA and 401k plans do not allow direct ownership of physical gold. However, there are still several ways to include gold in your retirement investments without losing IRA benefits. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is an IRA? An IRA, or individual retirement account, is a retirement savings plan that offers tax advantages. Most IRA accounts are used for investments such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The IRS places limits on what can be included in an IRA. Because of this, many standard IRA accounts do not allow physical gold like coins or bullion. Can I buy gold with my IRA? Yes, you can invest in gold with your IRA through certain options. Here are the most common ways. 1. Gold ETFs, Gold Exchange Traded Funds, ETFs, let investors follow the price of gold without owning physical metal. This is one of the easiest ways to add gold to an IRA. 2. Gold mutual funds, some mutual funds focus on gold mining companies and related businesses. These funds can provide exposure to the gold market. 3. Gold stocks, you can also invest in companies that mine or produce gold. Gold stocks are often included in self-directed IRA accounts. Self-directed Gold IRA, a self-directed IRA gives you more investment choices, including physical gold. With this account, investors may buy approved gold bullion or coins for retirement savings. This option is popular for people searching for the answer to, can I buy gold with my IRA? The gold must meet IRS requirements and is usually stored in an approved depository. Pros and cons of Gold IRA. Pros: 1. Helps diversify retirement savings. 2. Can protect against inflation. 3. Gold may hold value during market downturns. Cons: 1. Extra storage and account fees. 2. Gold prices can change quickly. 3. IRS rules can be strict. So, can I buy gold with my IRA? Yes, you can. While regular IRA plans may not allow physical gold directly, you can still invest through gold ETFs, mutual funds, stocks, or a self-directed Gold IRA. Before investing, compare the risks and benefits carefully to decide if gold is the right choice for your retirement plan. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.